Hey man, my man's got the Black Panther theme, vet, Angie. Yeah, check him out, big time. Nah, this junk tough. I like this. Oh, damn.
You gotta maneuver.
Hey, big boy Z06 though. Yeah. Y'all boys see it. Y'all see it, Black Panther. Damn, that shit hard.
Rest in peace, my boy.
Oh God. R.I.P. Chadwick Boseman. No cap.
What's this one?
Oh, he said that's Mortal Kombat. And check out the G2, man. This shit hard. Like, look at the details, man. That's tough. I like that. Yo. Hey, man, it's crazy. Hey, Murray, step to the side right quick. Jay, shift right quick. Damn, that's crazy. I like that. That go hard. I gotta catch this Mortal Kombat. Oh, I go behind you. My bad. This shit hard, bro. Look at this one. That boy got the purple lights. If you know who this is, you know who this is. It's hard as a mud. All three of them are tough as shit. God damn, that shit loud as hell. Damn. That shit loud as a bitch. That shit, this Camaro right here, if y'all didn't know, I'm about to go over here for y'all. The guy down. Oh, hold up. Before we even go over there, y'all check it out. He got the carbon fiber. My boy got the blue tint. Oh, let me squeeze through. Yo. You got this Mero right here. This Mero fast as shit. This Mero got some shit done to it you do not want to mess with. Big time. Big time. Yeah. If you see this on the highway, do avoid it because you're not going to win. Ever. Ever. Oh, I didn't even see this. This changes. Oh, that's hard. Can I catch it? That's hard. That's hard as a mud. I like that. Y'all see he got the butterfly nose, purple interior. It's just hard. Oh, he got the badge on the side. It's just hard, man. Y'all see that's how they come in this Charlotte, man. They different. They different as hell. It's good, bro. I'm Jordan.
Sweat.
My name, I go by Sweat, Jordan, whatever. Cause I don't have a problem with people knowing my government name.
I do.
But y'all go check out my producer Curly, Marteezy, Drizzy J. I forgot your name. One more time.
Gabe.
My boy Gabe.
Gen Z _
Oh shit.
Auto.
Gen Z _auto. Check him out.
Add me on the ground. Sincerely.Travis. YouTube, Sincerely.Travis. We going up all year.
Shit, what you got for us?
Follow me on Instagram. I'm a music producer. I gotta not _AP3. Tap in with, you know what I'm saying? I keep switching beats, you know what I'm saying?
Y'all tap in with these boys.
Hey man, I'm the man behind the camera doing it all.
Yeah.
Videos, all for them.
Hey, I'm the man in front of the camera. You feel me?
Yeah. Hey man, you got the cameraman, you got the main man, and you got Martin and this slow ass Mustang.
Hey, slow as shit. We got a whole team, bro. Like,
Yeah, we got.
doing it all.
Well, we got the whole team because we missing one. We missing one. We missing one.
You're gonna be out there now, man.
But I'm gonna show y'all our cars because I ain't showed y'all our cars today, and it's about to rain, so I gotta hurry up. But we got the green monster, big time. The thing pretty. Nah, I think it good. You know, you got me always, the baby boat, little slow machine, bow. And then you got the little baby hawk, sleeper build, 5.7 Jeep, yeah, Casper baby. All right, my man.
It's about to start pouring now.
All right. But yeah, man, we came out here to Charlotte for the one time.
That nigga
Hey man, y'all check out this Mario rap. This joint is crazy.
Wow.
Yo, look at the details. Like, that's the cleanest rap. Hold on, wait. That's a 5.7. Yeah, he has 345 on the side. I think Yo, he put a wide body kit on there. Yo, he back here tweaking, yo. Yo, that boy going dumb.
Yeah, bro, finna get us kicked out.
Oh, God. But hey, man, y'all check that boy out. Oh, this boy's going stupid out you. Hey, you got that kitty right there. Big boy kitty.
Got that cat outside.
Scatty on her in the white. Hey, what kind of Jeep is that?
That's a Summit.
That's a Summit?
Yeah,
That shit look good.
That's what Langston got.
Hey, man. This junk hard.
That's a girl carmeet.
Yeah. Yeah, y'all
Making
check
sense
them out.
now, though. That's the hardest, bro.
This Charlotte car scene something different, y'all. Y'all check out that blue Scatty right there. That junk is cool, so. Check out this smoke. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Yes, sir. God damn. God damn. Oh, yeah, go ahead, give us one. No, he just sliding, yo. Yo, he just sliding, yo. God damn. Man, they going dumb. Boy, I'm forever fucking with Charlotte, oh God. Charlotte is the place to be. No, cat, boy, it's smoked out here. It is smoked out here. God damn, he's still going. But he got this bitch smoked out. Check out this purple motherfucker right here. God damn, it's hard to breathe out this bitch. God damn.
That smell like raw meat in that bill.
Damn. Hey boy, check out that purple motherfucker right there. Yes sir.
Come on, Gray.
And then we got two bets in the back.
Gray finna hit that bitch again. That's a cat.
Oh, that's it. Damn, that's a cat. Oh, y'all see that cat badge on the side? Yes sir. Y'all see these boys go dumb up here. God damn. But they got everything out here. God damn. Now I like this purple though. This purple go crazy. And I like this. I like the two bets. That damn Summit right there goes stupid. That boy right there be sliding that Summit. God damn. Hey, back the bed up. I'm about to have an accident. Boy, it's strong as fuck up here. God damn.
I ain't gonna lie.
He said that's what the fuck you get a cat for. Nah, he funny as hell. That shit stank as fuck. I swear to God. That bitch strong as hell. God damn. Hey man, y'all come fuck with Charlotte. That car scene is crazy. It's different. Do a burnout in the vet. Burnout in the vet. Yes, sir. That boy going stupid. In the vet. Go ahead, give us one. Damn.
Alright, now.
Shit loud as hell. Damn.
Hey, bro.
That Charlotte car sees something else. God damn. Well, these boys go dumb up here in Charlotte, man. Y'all come fuck with these boys in Charlotte, big time. Bro. Hey, you ran out of. Oh.